Slay queens na ya mama na na ba na mo.
Abanam kaso si Sandra Kobia no
the
slayer of the slaves.
Yes. Ono say ya wo mama. Ya wo mama wo ho. Because ye nkwala no wo hwa ye wo panim ye first born, ye second born. But ye nyina ya mama na ba na mo.
Adana music mu ye mama.
Because also Nana Banamo has been on TV for many years. And I say and big man and so no TV no mo hwe. It means say am say Nana Banamo to TV so say I wo boakra. Oh, nkofo papa be tua rough. Oh, it's in Nana Banamo na sabe so me no omo me I see the positive part of it because a lot of girls in your confidence e wo mumu. Me share girls are me say Nana Banamo egu me omo say omo nyina so say omo ye top slayers. What you say? Enti no se Nana Banamo ate ho no na se woni ni ndi we hi asem anase wo nkomo a ono nim so betimi aboa wa. Okoka wa asem kire no betimi aboa wo beboa wo. Nana Banamo will help you. Or you're a very good person. It's your name I mean you bu ni pa.
Tuning no good relationship.
Onya madamfo. Nana Banamo anya madamfo but I one of veteran journalists for na me admire you a lot.
But onya madamfo we dey na ye wo mama.
Me see ye na ya mama. Oh yes, there are certain people will look up to them.
Oh okay.
Exactly. Yes. Obi ene obetimi atena be bia aka Nana Banamo ho asem bone except so obeka say opempe girls.
And no cre.
Oh, no cre. Na say no cre. Na sa pempe na nya bone na ya bone.
Me am tie de nya bone man.
Yeah, because maybe we because Nana Banamo na me ka chane say Nana Banamo say ene mama ya de ma me tiru de. Oh, na wunim big men pe ba kuma me a. No so yo mo na mema obako a enya bone. Ya pempe me positively.
Wow.
Yeah, and I love it.
Wow.
Yeah.
Junior say unyo obi a oti say ono obepese obepempe.
Nana Banamo say opempe me sisi de and say oh and they send the one on pay. Oh yeah, because
until say nipa nya ba TV so a the bias no.
Yes.
Ehu a.
Omo
TV so more.
Exactly, most of them. And even on social media, brand influencers no more social media haja for onia jade no obi anya the clients from the social media na.
Oh okay.
Because clients no ankasano they are always on the gram, especially looking out for all these hot girls, make offers and all that. What you say? And most of them know that Dubai and yes I want to FF kwa you are much more places I want you FF you bet me at all but people want to go to Dubai because Arab money there who their own fee
never Arab money but me Roko Eugene you're listening now what am I starting free say what am here
oh yeah slave queen oh yeah.
Why?
No, Nana Banamo na grooming no professionally. What you say? Nema me cry na Nana Banamo the last baby girl cry no.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Ntinkusha man Nana Ba according to you what grooming or no? E bi ni hwan.
Me the
apart from Sewa.
I mean say most of them no. Sandra Kobia so kahon kakra. Sandra kahon there are some other girls who are brand influencers but they are almost said they need TV so sa yeah but say what they on the last baby girl cry no
okay it is Sewa a slave queen
slave
abnormal
oh abnormal this one you boy I'm not your slave queen.
Fela Makafi.
Oh, Fela Makafi on your slave queen.
Okay.
Fela is never a slave queen. Fela at the type you wouldn't see her showcasing maybe expensive stuff. All she would do is promote her own business. And she's a girl that she works hard for her money. If she's even slaying behind closed doors, once she is not on social media portraying it, no, we cannot categorize her as sleeping. She works hard for her money.
Okay. Sister Debbie.
Sister Debbie, you're sleeping or a musician. Or you're sleeping.
I say he's Sandra Kobe as an actress, but also a sleeping.
Or act a movie, baby, because movie back we pen who know and who can only even know is very close. It's even Nelson here in the personal production of this Sandra Shemu, and she was an extra or near major character.
It's no who so actress.
Oh, Debbie. And said she just for the love she had for Yvonne, so she just wanted to be part of it. But acting Sika, oh yeah, acting Sika for anything. Sandra is very rich.
Okay. Yanko Benedict Agafa.
Oh, it's liquid. Oh, it's liquid.
Oh, yes, Slay, I'm Muslim. And on the level here, what do you?
Oh, yes, liquid. Or level 2.
Is our sunset version of Entertainment GH, and today you can't sleep with WhatsApp. It's message baby now move to go Facebook now. They are working on sunset. So if you saw sunset, just here be tomatoes. It's in the Mumia fans. Okay. Yenti about Benedict Agafa. Dietina Maukas is sleeping. That she show off.
Benedicta is a Kumawood actress.
I can't cry.
And crying as a big man, no, a woman crying pa. And Obi Ashada, I then up on a free movie because the more I movie, no near there, then the more Abiana she's been exposed to a lot of men. In Abiana, Sikaniba could be a you say, baby me, you. Every one more, me, yes, on per competition. But she's a slave queen, and then they be sometimes no you try photos not editing no go wrong and you know bloggers will pick up on her and all that. Everything for the gram. Omoye. Aha. Is this year no on only movie acting no na then a shooting about enim as this year no on also it me the benefit from it. It's no sponsorship the on also the sponsor the parent is very good. Yes, TV3. Yes, over TV3 because say I feel say you go proper auditioning say omo fa a presenter for music. Benedicta is not the right candidate.
Wow.
Yes, Benedicta is not eloquent enough for me. That's my opinion. Onya eloquent enough to be on TV as a live show presenter.
It's in let's say I want to be being a kind of demand.
Yes, who work Ghana now open Ibia Odo talent better with them.
Yanko Lydia Forson.
Onya slave queen, she's an actress. Lydia is not a slave queen.
Efia Schwarzenegger.
Efia is not a slave queen. Probably I'm now allowed Efia is not a slave queen. You will not see Efia on Instagram showing
I see her showing beauty stuff.
No, and only there Obi Nadia Bechan internet say or hyping nipa no then nipa na say. So Obi Bechan gold watch ne gold chain near the but on a more serious note, Efia is not the type of show stuff on Instagram just to say the top pressure. Among Kolan there be on Tessa.
Okay, Yanko Yvonne Nelson.
Yvonne Nelson is slave queen.
Hey! I saw say actress.
Oh, yeah, actress, but why you movies far? But for your slave queen. So said, the moment you are exposed through the movies, you know, and yet produce a piano over Frego say, Nigeria and a movie. Ube do Nigeria, not clients a book be at all. And you know, or more, no, most of them are more agents for Nigeria. Or more, no, name just big bosses for Nigeria. You know, maybe I could do another movie in area. You need to maybe hang out because maybe I'm not allowed to be a baby or share even else with TV. So I will say, oh, go away. No way, me fit. Me young come in and have a dinner. So dinner, no agents be bookie. Say, be $10,000. Now, after we shoot 2 movies, now be not allowed to per se. Or no, have a dinner. Now they are charged because they only have an appearance fee. And only appearance fee.
It's you mentioned your whole canal. Slave queens, you know, we need to show off because Yvonne doesn't do so
Yvonne there, she doesn't show off. But or slave because you know the slave queen it entails a lot. You was both showing off and also contacts names, some encophobia. Yeah, you say near my who exhibiting no, and I say near my who ye no, who lifestyle, but we know be what would here.
Joycelyn Dumas.
Joycelyn say a slave queen.
Yeah.
Oh yes. Yes.
Ade.
Sir, I always go back to say, who put TV so dear?
Marketing beba.
Ebeba international, but Joycelyn no. I say on only market no Nigeria more.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Also, Nigeria for no, all these movie actors and producers, Alaji for no, corporate, I mean, company owners, no, I'm light-skinned girls. I'm light-skinned girls.
Tina, why am I used to be baby?
Hey! Aha. Because Nigeria, so honest, can Ghana for men and baby Omuntia. But Nigeria for men and the almost say Sikapa fine.
Okay. I'm out for where there, Monaguchi, and I church and my mom, yes, Lakers or Ghana, no, Tino, Utia, now the Biabo, about so bloggers more tra, Muntie, and why I saw yes, Lakers, so that you don't accept the name to the wrong people. Yako Efiodo.
Efiodo, yes, Lakers.
Aden.
Efiodo is just a bubbly child who happens to make use of the internet. Or you'll be I mean, as America life mission, the more a typical American child, son or mote. Efia is not on TV or on Instagram or any other social media exhibiting expensive phone or baby bought this for me or no. To be or internet or sana say be what share the whole half nude or did now grown the no yes sleeping.
Delay.
Oh, delay yes sleeping. So be an delay yes sleeping.
Let's come to the King Kong, Moesha.
Oh, send them Moesha. Me, Madam Fu. Oh, yes, sleeping.
Oh, level down.
On it, Sandra Moho. Moesha, you penny more.
Moesha is an actress.
Yes, she is. Through acting near the other, she got the exposure.
But Unyesiko acting man.
Oh, acting Sikaba. But also, it gets to a time in a girl's life. On person obey just one thing because acting obiane nimre.
Okay.
Up and coming once ever.
Okay.
You know they attach other businesses to acting. What you say? They said Gafa sister or the cosmetic line be what you say because only mean depending on acting and I say Sikana TV3 head man in one. Because Enso, Gafa is very expensive in Enso.
Okay.
What you say? Moesha, yes, or a slave queen, or a slave queen fan. With highest of respect.
With highest of respect.
Oh yes, me
good. Japadia Moesha, who's watching, I know one idea, and honestly, a labor for him.
Debbie, any dear Pepe.
Until Moesha will feel.
Oh, yes, or uncompleted building, be not what Tokra, Kakra will be.
I want him.
Or East Legon.
Can't be no issue.
Or you too, Range Rover.
Okay.
Our Infinity war, but I think say no as to money too much in terms say Ninu be no use with her name customized on no can be a touch and son always to Range Rover Evoque.
Okay.
Yeah.
Princess Shingo.
Some no is slave queen. Oh, princess or a slave queen. Princess, the South Nigeria no one who we and a down for Krana say who client was the car. When you umbrella princess betting at Jennifer.
Hey.
Mutimi
FGOB a client free.
Oh yes.
And I say me jump it. Sama Mumuni.
Oh, it's slave queen.
Sama is slave.
It's slave queen.
Okay. Zinel Zu.
Zinel on your slave queen.
Okay.
Zinel is not a slave queen. Zinel is on the low.
Okay.
Yes. Not financially, but or you'll be on fan on funny private life ember to social media sir. O slay na ta de no ba ho no mo eno ano no. Unhu Zinel po say bia we tu kwan akọ ba bia o twa videos of expensive bia na obi wo ha o tua but bia ono no embe so obi show of this bia no mean to me categorizing it or slave queen. I will think say or say she works hard for her money.
Okay.
Yes.
Jackie Appiah.
Jackie Appiah is slave queen.
Madam.
Yeah, Jackie Appiah is slave queen. I think.
Jackie Appiah.
Na movie be no here obeti me nyeska to Maserati. Obeti me to Maserati. Yeah, you know, exposure no, and she's very pretty. She's very pretty. And a lot of people want to hang around with Jackie Appiah. A lot of big guys. Big guys, Arab man is for. Obi wo and you say bia bra na be da me nchen kwa. Me hu no TV so no ho me fe. Oh, me pesa me na have dinner. Our management team. Okay, appearance fee $20,000 and some of it to a free Ghana na Canada account me. Yes, and if you should see Jackie Appiah globe trotting and or shopping like she's insane. And yeah, shopping now, yeah, corner, no, or no, like, or shopping with some of the most expensive designers in the world. And obviously, we'll be able to make a movie sikana heading. No, and your movie sikana to toss any money in her. And she showcased all those things on social media.
Bella Mundi.
Oh, they be honestly queen.
Nana Epia Ado. Unimno. Okay. What's the other?
Honestly.
Nana Epia. So, lady or your fashionista or share Caribbean, maybe I see you in
Nana kind of slave queen, no, it has nothing to do with Abia Obama sponsor Nana Bibisa. But Nana Quia dear no oka first category for no.
Okay.
Unibi. But you want to portray it a woman because they are selling clothes and Nana Quia the big trap or the big photo shoot. Who be son of $5,000. But Abia, you're American, your size, you're over $100. $200 and it's the same thing.
Yeah.
What you say? You know when you are portraying that, and the OB is looking up to you. Say, maybe also yeah, fashion stylist to say what? Money panel budgets. Meanwhile, you know say they are $100 and $120, but because you are an appear in quotes, you know, which me boss say atadi we gown we cost me $10,000, which is not true. So when you are doing that, you are a fake slay the slayer.
Juliet Ibrahim.
Juliet is not a slay queen.
Juliet is a slave queen.
Debbie. Juliet is a slave queen.
Okay. Obaya Uboni being CCA. Uboni being also call a Ukushia Kadibi and the video Babon to for Tani. Ahajia for real.
Also, I am a science slave queen.
I was a slave queen.
Say, no, she's everywhere. The moment you start thinking about slave queens now, she will be one of first three. Ebeba Utrim, Aja for should be number one. Oh yes.
What does she do?
Aja for real is able to finance everything that she puts out there.
Okay.
Like Porsche or Range Rover and Mercedes Benz and all that. But who know Ejuma Ben Aja for real amount. Until she's able to afford all those. So who do you think is paying? Or how is she getting her money? Send a message I will say clients nanka some. They are always on social media looking out for all these light-skinned pretty girls.
Okay.
What you say? And as this young so I say only small waist any big ass now. What you say? Oh no, obi any obe for Arab money. Anything most of them no more person omo under the knife now, almost shapey or mu biem. What you say? Now looking more attractive. No more posy or Instagram no taking sexy, you know, seductive pictures. India no and Ebama de Biaya from Turkey, Malaysia, Dubai, Singapore. What's the Arab money? The Qatar, near from Lebanon, in Arab money. Into me, I come here and so Merena, Maya, you know, me has a monsieur Befremia.
Mamifa last person to Nafe Yanko Dubai.
Good.
Tracy watching.
Tracy, yes, slave queen.
Honestly,
David, honestly, queen.
Yana Mama Ground.
Oh, me, mammy.
Or your mammy, Tina, on your slave queen, and not on your slave queen.
Not for free, Nana, said him so on yes, slave queen.
Okay, Yvonne Okoro.
Yvonne is slave queen.
Yvonne Okoro is slave.
Yes, or is slave queen.
Yvonne Okoro is
yes. Oh.
Because me who show up for social media.
Or you'll be always a catch of say, Omoya the Sandra Kobia type of slay in Ibi. They are not going to brag about what they are having, but one casa would we need the which means say be an idea away and like no boarding. One will say, something like that. And they are all keeping up their lifestyles, even though the movie industry is kind of dead. Because I don't remember the last time Abdul Salam I had active movie there and Frank Raja active movie there. You better say be a movie when a costume, you know. And whatever they afford, you know, any movies nature.
Nadia Buhari.
Nadia is not a slave queen.
Who is she?
Nadia is an actress.
Okay, I have to be actresses.
Yeah.
But what me you be more me slave quiz,
Yes.
be more slave.
Yes, because Nadia Buhari is let me say she's an introvert.
Okay.
What you say? And then Oye Bidia, yeah, na ne papa din wo ni trim. You know, she tries her best not to tarnish her father's image.
Okay.
And Oyo bin so abema so ni mu ntemene ne wo ye. It's half of her life, no, or the wo or mafo. Or the wo. You know, only that time no for globe trotting and then showing off expensive and all that.
Okay.
Until now they are main categorizing the class as slave queen.
Miss Bell.
Miss by a slave queen. Miss by a slave queen.
Okay. Or category 9. Show of Minibi. You will be one of the children.
Miss Bell was second level.
You will be buying and yet them one Cassan and Bay.
Yes.
Okay.
Sana Miss Bell so dear.
You go to Dubai.
Me pacho flights many ways you say.
They say you use to Emirates.
Okay. Send them on national airline.
You know what they call business class.
Oh, there be your business class in your first class. Sandra Uncle be so on to business that they be your first class.
Where do you know who you know? Where do you know?
Oh, you home.
You couldn't take money in any.
Oh, say any.
Okay, you know, if I say Mona or Ghana, DNA do Dubai. How does it work?
Okay. A bit depending on more for more career to say acting, music, I don't know more famous no. It will probably go through their management. And I say be a nipa na who social media na or message you people can start talking from there. Yes.
No, nipa na you interested name one. And now also use agents.
A bit depending on so onimobia onim nipa na, but if not on one other personally too the page no send a message na for more exchanging numbers na mo di nkomo fio. Yeah,
ti mo di nkomo na ayeden
you agree on something nipa na be say I want you to travel to Dubai and hang around with me. I'm going to pay you maybe $50,000.
Okay,
I'm going to send you 30,000 and then when you get there you take the balance.
It's almost best best send 30,000 amount.
Oh, we best send the amount because we really well and say you are verified.
Oh, okay.
And I hear most of your slave queens so they are verified.
Yeah.
When you're verified, they are
Instagram page are verified.
Yes.
Oh.
When you are verified, they can locate you anywhere. Yes. Because we go through pictures. Or who say our profession here. We are brand influencer. We say, I know they are very confident in you.
Now say, Obefa call Dubai. Then what?
Okay, most of them know. One thing I want to state emphatically say, Dubai for men and more, almost said them African girls. Because I know you $50,000 a day amount. And Yenisika, and to bet me could do her. Now on market also 15 a Joe balance. Your yacht party be a year per se. Sometimes we have something like threesomes and all that. Say, oh, me and my brother, and I say, me and my young queen, so we bet me a dear. If I ever follow when you knew she, and it's a near my name, you better see. Obi or what? Sikana for phone, I drink in one bottom. Obeti na kato say me pese sebio me pet here ye krama ye o ai me pese wona nenye de eda me mo $100,000. African girls no be breji.
No money krama na.
Oh yes, omo ye. So omo say me boy and omo ye. They do it. Sikana go dollar na or they be free Dubai aba no they aba be flaunt expensive, stuff on social media. That's it. So for lack of knowledge, most of these our African ladies are killing themselves, but they don't know. Because honestly, no nipa no on fan in yonko Arab ni or bar. There be on here. But Africans exactly on here. But Africans, most Africans for no. I can say third world into dollar means a lot to us. Into say you be ma obi kakasa no wetimi and then one thing too is they never disappoint. This can be more prepared. Yes, I'm going to be more prepared. Oh yes, Obi will always make us so make us say madam fuwe and the wood that na maintenance na main share.
Wow, free porn.
Na fe my day. Make you say Into also this can assume not the bag and a second and as a popcorn be brain, you know. Overje. Aha, but most of Ghanaian girls, no any Nigerian girls, they are almost true. It's no more do us and I saw Munya middleman beer. Or no be guarantee so oh you see can on Sabeka. Okay. It is a middleman also no or just can we announce woman in the percentage room.
Oh okay. The middleman near pips no.
Omo pimping. Yes. But we are like in a client Nankasa ever deal with you directly dear and dear in Bebao. Even in Nigeria here, because I don't know, be our agent. Africa and American make sure agent.
Our Nigeria. Okay. It's no say Omuko Dubai. It's either say you pay out 3 song, you pay for any money actually.
Yes.
And that's
the my follow solo because of Omupe back in the back na Omutua pan for the back.
Oh Dubai.
Oh yes. Omutua pan.
Any money in your mother.
I there be say any money dey sanka omo ma omo fa. But say be na the girlfriend dem pay say onye sa. Into no Africans for the 20 year.
Yes, slip queens they bring your mom come here from back.
And they mean to me because me know.
But what's a baby now to go Dubai?
Me Madame Fubikra I want to buy one of the big hotels that I'm going to withhold the name. Yeah. I know one friend in life. I catch me that say this actress Jackie Appiah. I was at a hotel honeymoon. And I want to believe that she went for a holiday, but around that time, Kwanzaa no say Hash Papi so bad honeymoon. Hash Papi ko share no that hotel no. When you come friend me no catch me. Some ko share and be our celebrity, be our meet to discuss business. Our hotel ho.
Jackie Appiah and Hash Papi ko.
Oh yes.
I discuss it.
Yes. Me you come friend no catch me so almost star back ho. And I'm so star ben. And no kana America. Okay. And also Jackie Appiah and I'm so okay on no there. I'm booking everywhere for shooting. Okay.
Now, Muna. And some will be a need there. We kiss here will be there. One whole week kiss now will be no. What could you buy that? When your clients are made, what could you buy that?
Maybe I should.
Muna can pray.
Oh,
and then I'm catching you say come fab a application you could see am
na ka me oh me transit keke sometimes me call America na ma fa ho keke
etimuna won call my yem fa to da e na hu se fa go for
say they were on the ground it no yeti bibia
eti yem fa to da
there be
the way I see chon a pause as na there be muna
there be na ola
Debbie, can you pray?
And can yes, Debbie. Some kind of idea for can Kafina Mabel request a cross is Sikano to be an anchor. I think America.
When a bamis me beside me, yell fly away and bisano. I'm not watching my feel as also I found to Dubai.
Oh, sir.
Eh, also I bought 3 some Dubai. Sir, I'm saying now, Cababia, you seek a film.
Ah, oh, I see. Minyanka.
Unyanka.
Eh, Bayanka.
And Yanocre.
And Yanocre. I feel when I make person me expose me hona minya such deals. Yeah.
Yenya video be na African lady be na be me be in night I will wanna say. As in what in na use almost see a record no Dubai. Who say video?
Me who say video.
Good morning background.
Me nim ni background but it was in Dubai and nipa ni Ghana no Nigerian.
But I also nim ni background.
Nim ni but omo ma me who say Nigerian but enye Ghana ni.
It's one another now.
And I Nigerian so but onye star Nigeria. You know, nobody didn't catch them. I wouldn't know who the person is. But I'm mama see.
It's one another now wanna say.
Say any day, and I'm sure say who could do one. A group of rich people. I say, no magada, and no moody agro. Into we bet me okay, truth or dare. I'm daring you say raw won't see na way any day. On Friday night, I will say. Yeah, baby, $50,000. And $50,000 and so is scapa of maybe Africa, or the Africa is scapa. Yes, I grow. They're the rich and mighty, no more Dubai. They do these things as their leisure time.
Oh, okay.
On my age, my dear, or more relaxing.
Now take his way.
But take him so the more hopper, take you for so more drugs fan so fine.
Tomo the man come more drugs.
It will depend on how they want to link with you.
Okay.
Say sebio a dienintina obaya. They know what you have to do. Say omo person omo use and say omo person omo use extra. Say bia person a year say ebia ye dey drugs best so kakra so and also it's a different ball game altogether.
Ti omo timi the drugs my slave queen.
Oh yes.
But what the omo man kramani omo na.
There be how them things that I used to that.
Na Nigerians way.
Nigerians so omo yes but Nigeria for so per back pa.
Omo so per.
Anal sex. Yes, omo per pa.
I remember be politicians and answer one now omo musi obia.
Yes, because Nigerians in the sense this politicians pa say omo is Nigeria.
Neti Nigeria ni say ever say Nigeria ni ebe fa wo back mo na say Nigeria ni flow so ebe fa back say no betia.
Oh, as I say at least no crack at least between $20,000 and $30,000.
$20,000 or $30,000 not there for what cheap.
Yes.
That's for about threesome, sorry.
Oh, that threesome there is a little cheaper.
Threesome is cheaper.
Oh yes.
That's for macramano what that's way.
No, they maintain that about Nigeria movement and they maintain be this other.
Me say I'm to miss my private jet mo be fan for free ako.
Impatio eye.
Omo gusie.
Omo gusie pa.
I'm sorry for your name Monaguchi. Uko Instagram at Monaguchi official. And I uko Facebook so at Monaguchi official. Why a slayer of the slayers. And now you can see a kind of freestyle. Let me give come a fray, you know, because you see a starter and a baby. A common grind ye. I've been a cable call idea for real crown so and like a cry.
Oh, okay.
Near call Jackie so near sure so many clients need beer. Umo Mudi Babbitt as a client to Yedma. Muna. Yamisha.